Hey, what's up guys? So a few months back it was brought to my attention that Amazon was now offering GMK sets. So naturally I was curious and I ordered this GMK laser synthwave set. Drop is now offering GMK sets on Amazon, which is a nice alternative to the okay-ish quality keycaps that you get off of Amazon. I ordered some before. I like the keycaps, but then it was pointed out to me during my build stream that the backspace was misspelled and it had an S instead of a C, so the backspace was a little, once you saw it, it couldn't be unseen. So you never know what you're going to get with Amazon keycaps. Being as this is GMK and it's from a pretty reputable company, Drop, I think will be okay with these. So what I ordered was the GMK laser synthwave set, which is just a basic kit here. Base kit doesn't have any numbers, any numpad keys. As you can see, they offer the Cyberdeck set, which is your more traditional full set with your number pad. It just had a whole lot of colors and stuff that were just too bright. I didn't want to do the novelties just because I went with the Synthwave and those novelties aren't going to match. The space bars I didn't get because they also don't match Synthwave. So let's pop into this thing and see what we've got here. I kind of started the corner a little bit, so it would be too difficult for me to rip open. And so what we've got here is GMK laser. It's the standard GMK trays that you're used to. This is laser synthwave. Let's see. Try not to destroy the packaging. I know a lot of people throw it away, but until I use the keycap set, I like to keep it in the packaging. So let's pull it out and see what we've got here. All right, more plastic. I really wish GMK would go back to their old trays. These new trays just don't cut it for me. All right. Ooh. So just knocked them all out of whack here. But yeah, so looks like we've got just our standard GMK ABS keycaps. The colors look good. The legends are crisp like you would expect for GMK. All in all, I'm pleased with it. $140 keycap set from Amazon, delivered in 2 days. No group buys that we all love. Just kidding. No group buy. Got it in 2 days. Like I said, I've been sitting on it for like a month and a half. I've just been behind on content creation. Had stuff going on. So yeah. So it does look like everything's here. Of course, I'll have to inspect it more later. But you know, GMK set on Amazon. Legit. Can't go wrong with that. I'll add the product description or product page description link down below so you can copy a set if you like. I will be using my Amazon affiliate link, so please hit that link if you decide to purchase this keycap set, and I look forward to seeing you guys in some future videos. Thanks so much for hanging out and see you soon.